Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled jalapenos. First, gather your ingredients. About 1 pound of fresh jalapenos, 2 cups each of white vinegar and water, and 2 tablespoons of pickling salt. Next, slice your jalapenos into uniform 1/4 inch rounds. Finally, sterilize your glass jars and lids by boiling them for 10 minutes. This crucial step ensures your pickled jalapenos stay fresh and safe to eat. Now, let's create the pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine your 2 cups of vinegar, 2 cups of water, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, ensuring the salt fully dissolves. While the brine heats, tightly pack your sliced jalapenos into the sterilized jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. For an extra kick, consider adding a few garlic cloves or peppercorns to each jar. Once your jars are packed, carefully pour the hot brine over the jalapenos, ensuring they are fully submerged. Use a non-metallic utensil to gently release any trapped air bubbles, then tap the jars lightly on the counter. Wipe the rims clean, then secure the lids and rings. Process the sealed jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This creates a vacuum seal, preserving your delicious pickled jalapenos for months. After processing, let your jars cool completely on a wire rack. Once cooled, store them in a cool, dark place. For the best flavor, I recommend waiting at least 2 weeks before opening and enjoying your homemade pickled jalapenos. They're perfect on tacos, nachos, or just as a spicy snack. Also, don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.